Hello student, today our topic is related with the periodic table of classification. In this topic we discuss about the different character in a group as well as in a periods. In the first video related to this topic, already we discussed some of the properties such as valency, valence electron, atomic size. All of you know that valence electron remains same in a particular group. Valency also remains same in a particular group. When we are moving down a group, then the valence electron remains same as well as valency also remains same. But when we are moving in a period, then the valence electron continuously increases from group 1 to group 18. But the valency first increases from group 1 to 14, means group 1, 2 and 13 and 14. Valency first increases, then start decreasing from 15 to 17. Group 15 has valency 3, 16, valency 2, group 17 valency 1 and group 18 zero valency. The zero valency of group 18 is because group 18 is of inert gas element and it never react with any other element due to the stable configuration. And the atomic size, when we are moving down a group, then the atomic size continuously increases due to increase in number of orbits or number of cells. And when we are moving from left to right in a particular period, then the atomic size continuously decreases due to increase in nuclear charge effect. Due to increase in nuclear charge effect, atomic size continuously decreases when we are moving in a particular period. Today we discuss about the metallic character and non-metallic character. Metallic, first of all, what is metallic character? Metallic character means the tendency to lose electron and behave like a metals. Metallic character down a group increases because the tendency to lose electron increases when we are moving down a group. Therefore, when we are moving down a group, then the metallic character increases. But when we are moving in a periods, metallic character decreases because the atomic size decreases, and this is the reason. Metallic character decreases when we are moving in a periods from left to right, but non-metallic character increases. Non-metallic character means tendency to accept electron and behave like a non-metal. Therefore, group 1, group 2, group 13, group 1, group 2, group 13 behave like a metal. And group 15, 16, 17, all these behave like a non-metal. Now in the next topic, that is the chemical reactivity. Next topic is chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity means the reaction with another element. The chemical reactivity of metals increases on going down a group when on going down in a group of the periodic table. And this is the reason when we are going down the group, the tendency to lose electron increases and the chemical reactivity also increases. The chemical reactivity of non-metals decreases on going down a group of the periodic table. The chemical reactivity of non-metals decreases on going down in a group of a periodic table, because when in case of non-metals, when we are going down a group, then the metallic character increases or tendency to gain electron also decreases when you are moving in a particular group of non-metals, because due to the increase in atomic size. Is it clear? Chemical reactivity of metals increases when we are moving down a group. Chemical reactivity of metal increases when we are going down a group. but chemical reactivity of non-metals decreases when we are moving down a group because the tendency to gain electrons decreases when we move down a group. But when we are moving in a particular period, then the chemical reactivity start decreasing than increasing. For example, suppose we are moving in a particular period number 3, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, after that silicon, then phosphorus, after that sulfur and chlorine. From sodium to silicon, chemical reactivity from sodium to silicon, chemical reactivity decreases. And when we are moving from phosphorus to chlorine, it increases. Reason, in case of sodium, only one electron lose by sodium for chemical reaction. In case of magnesium loses 2 electrons and becomes stable, and in case of aluminium 3 electron will lose. But more the electron it will lose, the less is the tendency to react with another element. Therefore, chemical reactivity, when we are moving in a particular period, that this is from group 1 to 13 and 14, 15, 16 and 17. From group 1 to group 14, chemical reactivity decreases, then it start increases. Next point is nature of oxide. Third point, nature of oxides. All of you know that all metallic oxides are basic in nature and all non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. On moving from left to right in a particular period, the basic nature of oxide decreases and the acidic nature of oxides increases. And this is the reason sodium oxides highly basic in nature, whereas chlorine oxides are highly acidic in nature. In between these two, basic and acidic, some elements react with oxygen and form amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide means the oxide which behave as an acid as well as base. For example of amphoteric oxide, Al2O3, aluminium oxide, as well as zinc oxide, aluminium oxide, Al2O3, zinc oxide, silicon oxide and arsenic oxides. All these are amphoteric in nature. Now, what is the nature of the oxide when we are moving down a group? When we are moving down a group in a periodic table, there is no change in the nature of the oxide of the element. For example, group 1 elements all form basic oxides. So, on moving down in a group of the periodic table, there is no change in the nature of the oxides of elements. This is all about the correct nature or the trend in the periods as well as in a period as well as in group. In next session, we discuss some question answer related with periodic table. Thank you.